What's up, good individual? Today's video is on top 5 best mini drone. Through extensive research and based on quality, we've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's features, performance of its particular use, or necessary topics, we've got you covered with more information on the best mini drone. We have also included the links in the description box down below. You can like the video, show your creativity in the comments section, and subscribe for more tech-related videos. We upload multiple videos in a week. Now, let's get started. We can start things off with KBDFA P88 new 8K mini drone. You will get optical flow positioning hover in it. You can make it accurately lock the height, hover stably, and prevent the screen from shaking when taking pictures and videos. Its folding body design, compact and lightweight design makes it easier to carry than bulky drones. Its folded size is 16 cm by 14 cm and 5 cm, where unfolded size is 29 cm by 28 cm and 5 cm. Its gesture recognition has made it smart and easy to use. With just one gesture, you can start taking photos or videos, and the recognition distance is about 2 meters. You can turn on the follow function through the app. You can lock the target, follow the move, turn on aerial photography, and realize follow-up photography. You can set your favorite target as a hotspot and automatically fly around the target to shoot a blockbuster. It has waypoint flight mode. You can draw the flick waypoint you want on the map and immediately click on the drawn waypoint to fly. With its 1800 mAh large capacity 3.7 volts modular battery, it provides long battery life. Its easy replacement, intelligent energy saving, and power saving operations made it more alluring. Up next, we have XYRC E88 4K Pro Mini Drone in our list. This innovative and durable quadcopter is perfect for aerial photographers, videographers, and any other enthusiast looking for an amazing aerial experience. Featuring double folded wings, this drone is incredibly easy to transport and store. With XYRC E88 Pro drone, you get to see everything in real time. Fly your drone and watch the footage come in live on your phone or tablet without missing a beat. Capture amazing videos and photos with ease, while never having to worry about crashing into something. With Air Press feature, you can make it hover and take video or photos in a stable situation. This Air Press feature will help you to achieve more stable hover, which will eventually help you gather some out-of-the-world clips. With its 4K HD double camera, it captures stunning footage with excellent clarity and definition. The drone comes with a built-in tracking system that allows you to follow your flight path in real time. This makes learning how to fly a drone much easier and more fun, ensuring you have an enjoyable experience from start to finish. With just one key takeoff, you can get started quickly and easily. It has a one-key landing mode so that you can confidently land your drone without ever having to look at the controller. It's astonishing to have headless mode in its class, and headless mode makes flying easy and enjoyable. This is a portable, lightweight drone that provides 10 to 15 minutes of fly time. The very next mini drone, we have XYRC R26K mini drone. It has 6K pixels and remote 90-degree control for more stable, clearer, better shots. 6K pixels means the details you see will be 6 times of 1000 pixel high-definition video for better highlight and shadow detail. No matter if it is bright or dark, distance, movement, and every beautiful moment are presented in high quality. It has folding and portable appearance, supported by a number of hardcore technologies. Excellent flight stability system that provides you ability to shoot almost whatever you want. It has GPS multifunction return feature that lets you automatically record the starting position before takeoff, and when it is necessary to return home automatically, you can automatically return to home through the remote control. It has full of power wind resistance up to level 7. It is equipped with a powerful motor with smaller size and better performance, high-speed power output of 1800 revolutions per minute. The index is as high as level 4, and the flight is more comfortable and stable. It has 50 times zoom shooting, and the zoom is silky smooth, and the beauty of the distance is at your fingertips. It also has gesture recognition photos and videos. During the flight, aim at the drone camera and pose accordingly gestures to automatically take pictures or videos. It will provide you more stable and safe dual flight positioning system. Both indoor and outdoor automatically maintain height and hover smoothly, Even with zero bases, get started, anyone can fly. With its high capacity of 7.4 volt strong voltage battery, it will provide you 25 minutes long battery life. The flight endurance of the clock exceeds most of the same types of consumer drone products. Furthermore, we have V14 6K Mini Drone in our list. You can draw a track on the app, draw the flight trajectory on the app, and follow it immediately. This drone will fly according to that drawn trajectory intelligently. You can click beautiful photos in one go. Its beauty filter will let you collect beautiful photos in one go. You can conserve high-definition video with high dynamic range and photos that clearly freeze the beautiful moments. Both the front and bottom of the drone has bright LED lights. These lights will let you fly at night and give you amazing clips even at night. You will get one of 50 times free zoom that can be achieved through the app. It will let you shoot without fear of high-altitude vision. You can easily take pictures by waving your hand or making that type of gestures. It has a modular big battery that is durable and easy to install and take out. With its 3.7 volts 1600 mAh lithium battery, you can get an endurance of about 20 minutes. We can finish it up with XYRC F194K Mini Drone. Its 4K high-definition footage is higher in sharpness, and the high-definition resolution pixel lens provides clear picture quality. It can do 360-degree stunt roll in one click, and these 360-degree stunts gather amazing and beautiful clips. It has hover over feature, and you will have stable hover indoors and outdoors. The GOD operation is very easy with this drone. It can be cleverly folded for strength. The surface is covered with aviation polyamide or polycarbonate material, and its foldable design makes it easy to carry. It has one-touch control which makes it easy to control. With its simple control system, multiple one-button control experiences can be gathered. Because of the double camera leap multi-angle, you can have different types of view from the same place. It has beauty filters to provide you with extra beautiful shots. It will give you instant beauty. Obviously, it has gesture sensing shooting and recording. It captures photos and records videos. It has LED night flight lights for dark night flights, so that you can enjoy it at nighttime too. 50x zoom is there to capture things in detail and see things in detail. There are some cool LED lights around the drone. You can let your mini drone become a shining star in the night sky. You can put on the protective frame and refuse to scratch it. It has module large battery so that you can easily install and remove it. The battery is easily replaceable. It can provide you with about 10 minutes of battery life. If you liked the video and it helped you anyway, please give the video a like and hit that subscribe button. The links to all products we have talked about are in description below. Hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time, I will see you guys in later.